Thoreau believed in self-sufficiency, but he wasn't isolated. He would have family, friends, and locals visit his cabin all in a tiny...
Emery. 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 Emery, I haven't seen you in class for days. There's only so many notes I can take for you.
I'm managing. I just gotta get a few things figured out.
Look, I get it. Life is hard. But shutting down isn't gonna help when... Hey, look at me. You're not okay, are you? You can talk to me.
It's nothing, just stress.
I'm glad we could fit you in today. What's been weighing on you?
I'm just lost.
You're not alone. Tell me what you're going through and I can see if I can help.
I suppose I've been having trouble sleeping lately, among other things.
That's a great place to start. How long has this been happening?
A few weeks, maybe longer.
Do you think something is keeping you awake? Stress, anxiety, maybe?
Yeah, something like that.
We don't need to get into that today if you're not comfortable.
I honestly wish I could more sleep, I mean.
Is there a reason why? Maybe there's something you're trying to avoid?
It's just safer there. I feel like it's peaceful and quiet. It's really the only place I can truly catch my breath.
I hear you. Explain it might help you make sense of it. Would you feel comfortable sharing about what you see and feel when you're there?